back to my channel. So as you can tell by the title, I'm creating this look that I was inspired. I saw this picture on Pinterest and I was like, oh my gosh, I have to recreate this look. I can't remember her name. So I asked you guys on my Snapchat if you guys wanted me to recreate this look. The majority of you guys said yes. I'm going to show you guys the picture that I was inspired by. I didn't come up with this hairstyle, obviously. And this is the look. And I think I did a pretty good job. Also, I just want to say thank you so much for 500 subscribers. I will be making a 500 subscriber video just explaining on how thankful I am for you guys. So with all that being said, I hope you guys enjoyed this video and let's get right to it. My hair is just in a bun. I'm putting the coconut curling cream into my hair. To smooth my hair, I'm just going to be using my denim brush. I'm going to be using the XoXoXoXoXoXoXoXoXoXoXoXoXoXoXoXoXoXoXoXoXoXoXoXoXoXoXoXoXoXoXoXoXoXoXoXoXoXoXoXoXoXoXoXoXoXoXoXoXoXoXoXoXoXoXoXoXoXoXoXoXoXoXoXoXoXoXoXoXoXoXoXoXoXoXoXoXoXoXoXoXoXoXoXoXoXoXoXoXoXoXoXoXoXoXoXoXoXoXoXoXoXoXoXoXoXoXoXoXoXoXoXoXoXoXoXoXoXoXoXoXoXoXoXoXoXoXoXoXoXoXoXoXoXoXoXoXoXoXoXoXoXoXoXoXoXoXoXoXoXoXoXoXoXoXoXoXoXoXoXoXoXoXoXoXoXoXoXoXoXoXoXoXoXoXoXoXoXoXoXoXoXoXoXoXoXoXoXoXoXoXoXo Now I'm just going to take my baby hairs out. Since I want the braid to be on this side, I'm going to put my ponytail on the left side of my head. The hair that I'll be using is the Sassy Collection 100% Cane Cologne, and the color is 1B. I'm going to take my hair tie and the hair. I'm going to put it around the hair. And then I'm going to tie it one more time. And then with the extra piece, I'm going to bring it at the top, like so. I'm going to put this over my head. I'm going to tie it twice. I'm going to put the hair in it. I'm going to split the hair for 3. And I'm only going to put my hair in 1. So it'll just be this one. And I'm just going to braid under instead of over. So now that we have the braid, I'm going to spray my hair with the Max Hold Hairspray by Suave. I'm just going to spray the top, because that's where my real hair is. I'm just going to spray the rest of my hair. Okay, so this part's coming out. So what I'm going to do is take a bobby pin. I'm just going to bobby pin it into the hair, like so. I'm just going to separate the hair a little bit, just to make it a little bit bigger. Okay guys, so this is the final look. I'm going to show you guys how long this hair is. It's like, I'm standing up right now. I'm I'm pretty short, but it's like right here. I got this hair from Sally's. It was only about like $7, I believe. Yeah, it was only about $7. It's braiding hair, and I'm honestly in love with it. It's very long. It's like very different, and I like being different. I hope you guys enjoyed watching as much as I enjoyed filming it for you guys. If you guys enjoyed this video at any given time, please be sure to give me a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe if you guys haven't already. I hope to see you guys very, very soon.